Today we talk about the best programming language to learn in 2024. But before we get started, let me tell you that there is no such a thing as the best programming language for every case. This is why we're covering the top language choices for the following most in-demand fields: web development, mobile apps, data science and artificial intelligence, and backend development. Oh, and there's also a bonus section at the end, so stick around for that golden nugget. But before we kick off, if you enjoy content like this, please hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps this channel thriving. Now, let's jump into it. We start with web development. What is the best programming language to learn in 2024 for web developers? The obvious choice would be JavaScript, but I recommend TypeScript instead. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, introducing static typing to catch errors at compile time and improve code maintainability. This dynamic duo combines the flexibility of JavaScript with static typing, enabling developers to create robust, scalable web applications. It leads to fewer bugs and more confidence in your code. With features like interfaces and enums, TypeScript enhances your coding experience. It seamlessly integrates with popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, offering a streamlined development process. As web development evolves, TypeScript becomes a valuable asset, providing clarity and efficiency in your projects. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, investing time in learning TypeScript is a decision that pays off. Next, we talk about mobile app development. For mobile app development, the best programming languages to learn in 2024 are Kotlin and Swift. Kotlin, the Android developer's choice, offers a concise syntax, Java interoperability, and robust functional programming support. Kotlin makes Android development seamless for user-friendly interfaces and complex architectures. For iOS, Swift is the unrivaled language of 2024. Designed for expressiveness, speed, and safety. It modernizes iOS development, from creating captivating interfaces to leveraging Apple's ecosystem efficiently. Both Kotlin and Swift prioritize developer productivity and code clarity. Mastering these languages equips you to build high-quality, performance-driven applications. Whether your dream app is for Android or iOS, learning Kotlin or Swift is your key to success in mobile app development. If you're finding these insights valuable, hit that like button and let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Your engagement fuels this channel and I love hearing from you. Still with me? Fantastic! We have 2 more development fields ahead. Brace yourself for the captivating worlds of data science and AI and backend development. Oh, and of course for the bonus section. Now let's explore data science and AI. In 2024, Python remains the unrivaled champion for data science. Its versatility, extensive libraries, and community support make it the go-to language. Python's simplicity facilitates the entire data science workflow, from data cleaning to building sophisticated models with libraries like Pandas and scikit-learn. When it comes to artificial intelligence, it is also Python that is still dominant, especially with TensorFlow and PyTorch. However, the emergence of Julia, known for high-performance computing, introduces new possibilities for performance-intensive AI tasks. The choice between Python and Julia often depends on specific project requirements. Whether you're passionate about data-driven insights or contributing to cutting-edge AI, the languages you choose will impact your journey. As the landscape evolves, Python remains a solid foundation, but exploring emerging languages like Julia may open new opportunities. Speaking of AI, I created this video with the help of a cool AI tool called Pictory. It creates high-quality videos from text and saves me a lot of time. Try it for free using my link in the description. Use my discount code at checkout to get 20% off any plan for life. Finally, let's talk about backend development. Here, Kotlin is my top choice over Java. With a concise syntax, seamless Java interoperability, and strong functional programming support, Kotlin redefines server-side applications. Its modern approach reduces boilerplate code, enhances readability, and provides an enjoyable coding experience. Kotlin's concise syntax significantly reduces verbosity compared to Java, resulting in cleaner and more readable code. One of Kotlin's standout features is its smooth interoperability with Java, allowing a seamless integration into existing codebases and enabling teams to leverage Kotlin's modern features without abandoning ongoing projects. With Kotlin, you get the best of both worlds. A vast landscape of libraries and frameworks, including Spring Boot, coming from the Java world, and the elegance of an idiomatic and modern programming language. Kotlin's robust support for functional programming empowers developers to write concise and expressive code for scalable and maintainable backend solutions. Its standard library is stuffed with helpful functions that I came quickly to love. If I were to start my career as a backend developer in 2024, I'd choose Kotlin. And if you cannot convince your team or boss to adopt Kotlin yet, you can still downgrade to Java. You made it to the bonus section. Get ready for a golden nugget on the importance of choosing a programming language versus embracing clean code principles and test-driven development, TDD. Choosing the right programming language undoubtedly is important, but the real secret lies in adhering to clean code principles and adopting TDD practices. Regardless of the language you choose, these principles transcend specific technologies and lay the foundation for a successful coding journey. Clean code principles focus on writing code that is not only functional, but also readable, maintainable, and elegant. It's the art of crafting code like poetry, making it understandable and enjoyable for other developers. TDD, on the other hand, is a methodology that emphasizes writing tests before writing the actual code. It's a discipline that ensures your code works as intended and continues to work even as it evolves. While the choice of a programming language may define your tools, adhering to clean code principles and embracing TDD defines your craftsmanship. So whether you're coding in Kotlin, TypeScript, Python, or any language of your choice, remember that clean code and TDD are universal principles that elevate you from a coder to a true craftsman. Ready for more coding wisdom? Check out my other videos on clean code and TDD. The links are on your screen right now. If you enjoyed the video, share it with a friend and let's connect in the comments. See you in the next video.